Daniel Brown here. I would like to take you through the skills necessary for fulfilling your second Excel project. The second Excel project will focus on two parts of Excel, the first Excel cell styles and the second Excel tables. Excel cell styles you've already seen before through the input, output, and calculation styles. They are a great way for you to make sure that the spreadsheets you give to others are formatted consistently. One thing you will note with Excel cell styles is that the built-in number formatting styles are fairly limited. So in this project, you are going to learn how to create new styles which will allow you to format all sorts of other things. Second, you will learn about Excel tables. Excel tables are a great way for organizing data. I will show you how to create them, add data, subtract data. I will show you how to format them nicely. I will also show you how to make structured references to the data within the table. At the bottom of this page, you will find various spreadsheets and video content demonstrating the skills. And finally, you will also find at the top of this page a link to your assignment. Good luck.